What's up guys, today we are going to install this LK screen protector for the Galaxy S20 Ultra, Samsung that is. I've already done one on this, but I don't think that went too smoothly, so I'm going to do it again. So let's just open it up. I'm going to install just the screen protector because I find that the camera lens protector is very, well, it adds an extra bulkiness to it. This light is flickering. I'm going to switch it off. Should be okay. We have the squidgy thing, alcohol prep pad, the lint cloth, dust absorbers. This is empty. See right here. Don't need it, but yeah, just keep it aside. This I need to put onto the phone. Like so. Just gonna get rid of some of the dust first. Which way does this? This goes on this way. Yeah. All right, so alcohol prep pad. It's moist. I've had one of these where they come in the pack and it's completely dry because they just stored it in the warehouse for God only knows how long. Okay, that's enough. The thing about the S20 is that it doesn't sit flat. It does not sit flat at all. I'm just gonna go. There's a lot of dust. I'll use the dust stickers now. Super sticky. That's it. I'm just gonna turn on the light quickly there. I think they're just scratches. Yeah, they're just scratches. There are some slight marks on the screen. I guess I'm the second owner of this phone. I guess they didn't use a screen protector beforehand. But I prefer the feel of a screen protector. But then again, I prefer glass screen protector because it's just much smoother. But I have to use this. Okay. What we need to do is attach this here. Okay, that's attached right now. I lift this up. It's not sticking yet. So when I set this down, that's a bit lopsided, no? I'm not happy about that. That should be down a tiny bit. Let me see. Not supposed to go backwards on this. Oh no, I can't. Because there's another 2 layers. Oh well. Okay, let me try my best to get all the bubbles out of here. Doesn't help. Yeah. Crap. What is that? Okay, let me finish this up and see if I can pry it up. Okay, so what's happening is that this kind of white plastic is in the way of the actual screen protector. It's my fault. I should have checked the line up before releasing. What is this? Okay, so the last part is to take off this. Not so good. I think that's dirt. Okay, so here's a trick. I'm gonna lift it up using this. Or not. Or not. Super stuck on there. The worst is the edges here. I think that's dirt. That is definitely dirt. It's quite thick as well. I have to lift up that side. That one seems to be the worst. Let me see. It's a bit of lint, yeah. that's not coming up. That's just dust on that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure a way out. Figure a way to... There's just one big spot that I don't like. The rest I can eventually push out. Let me try and show you. This right there. That one is the worst one. There's a few of them that will just come out in time. But yeah. But at least it sticks well. Sticks very well, and it feels nice. Yeah, let's leave it there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was the attempted installation of the LK Galaxy S20 Ultra Clear Protector. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.